As I analyzed Bajaj Finance yesterday, the share has started to move up today itself. Stock went up by 2.71% and closed at a good resistance level of 4865. Before coming to the Q4 results, let's discuss the stock price scenarios today. If the share breaks the level of 4865 today, share can start the journey to move up and reach the all-time high levels in coming months. A trader can go long and buy these shares and sell them in the presented levels in the picture. These levels are most suited for swing trading, not for intraday trading. But intraday traders can keep an eye into this share because it may break 4865 level and go up in a single day. As you can see, there are short-term trades available starting from few days to few months where you can get 4% at 5070 level, 7% at 5200 level, 14% at 5550 levels and 19% at 5780 level. We have discussed in the last video that this share has the power to withstand the situation due to COVID. The company has shown a good recovery after March 2020 in last 4 quarters, and following that this quarter as well, the company has posted a great growth in profit and sales, almost 42% growth in net profit after tax. As profit growth supports, the stock price should go up to the recent time high 5779. Though any news in the market is already reflected in the share price, so we cannot predict how fast the share will go up. But definitely this share will reach its peak in coming months. Before telling you about another great stock which has the potential to go up by 18%, here is the disclaimer. These discussions are only for the educational purposes. We are not recommending any share to buy or sell. Please do your own research before taking any action. This next stock is from consumer durable sector and the name of the share is Havells India Limited. It comes under our experimental index Nifty 100 Leader Cap 25 index. Stock went up by 2.84% today. From the starting of the fall of Nifty, we can see a huge rounding pattern in this share. Whether Nifty consolidates or moves up, this share would reach its recent time high 1215 and give 18% return. Other levels will be 1070 and 1160. Havells posted all-time high profits in last few quarters during the pandemic as well. And it is expected to continue to see the same from the company in coming quarters as well. So the share came down with Nifty, but there is no reason not to reach the higher levels in coming days. Please discuss with your financial advisor before buying or selling any of these shares. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Till then, keep learning.